Welcome back to Hollow Point Defense. One of the questions I got on the M&P FPC, the folding pistol carbine, is how to take apart this bolt. This bolt piece, the front half of it, here's the back part. This has your firing pin and extractor. You can see the extractor right here, and of course your firing pin's right in the center. But let's take out the firing pin first. Two things you need to know. The pin right here, that's the top, bottom, there's the bottom, and there's your firing pin. It will come out towards the top, but what you do need to do is press down with your fingertip on the firing pin. I'm gonna put my finger in front of this just so it doesn't shoot out. It won't, but I don't wanna lose it. Take your little dental pick, push it through, and you'll see it sticks out just a little bit. Grab that thing, there's your little pin. Kind of looks like a nail head. And then your firing pin will come out. And there's the spring. And you can clean the channel inside fairly easy. Putting it back together is the opposite. Spring in first. And if you notice your firing pin, it's got a divot in it. It's channeled out. That's for the pin to go in there, the retention. So I'm gonna do it this way. On my left, this side, there's the pin. So that little cutout, there we go, has to be facing that way because that's where the pin's gonna go. I'll just drop it in there, use my fingertip to press down even, push the pin through the top, seat it, and there it is. Pretty simple. If you wanna take off this, the extractor, it's got a pin too. That pin is right here and will come out in the top right there. It does have a spring in it, so there's a little spring loading. Take your little dental pick, press to the top, from the bottom to the top, and there you go. It'll come out, grab it, clean it up, put it away, put it to the side, and your little extractor claw will come right out. Pretty simple. There's like a divot here or a cutout right here. There's one on both sides. Clean all that, it gets fairly dirty quickly. I think I had 300 rounds to this gun, and this was completely black. And then right inside your claw channel right there, you wanna clean that out. That had quite a bit of carbon buildup in it. Now on this, in here, there's a spring right there, little tiny one, maybe 1/4 of an inch at the most. You wanna pull that out, clean it up, and then you can clean the channel and all that stuff in there. I use pipe cleaners and the edge of a rag that I got, microfibers. To put it back together, you just drop in the spring. You're gonna take your extractor, just like I have it, lay it right in there. There's a little spring right there, of course, so you're gonna have to push down on it. Again, this pin is the same as the extractor pin, and it's got a little head on it, like a nail. You're gonna put that in there, and then just press in. It'll snap right in there pretty easy. Make sure it's in, you're done. That's all you have to do to this little piece right here, and it'll be perfectly clean. Fairly simple to take apart, but those parts are small, and if you lose them, you're probably gonna end up calling Smith & Wesson to buy another one. I actually had about 10 of each brought in to me for that purpose, and I know several people that have these. They need them, I got them. But that's pretty simple right there, and it's all back together. One question I was asked, the reason I was doing this video until I decided to take it apart, is oiling these things. I just put a little bit of oil on it, just like that, and then I swab it all the way around it. I kind of see these things like racing engines. If it's metal, it needs a little lubricant, period. I just swash it on there, put it in the channels there. And I found out too, I've shot this quite a bit lately, if I oil this up, it actually makes it a little bit cleaner. We got that oiled. And then this piece here, your buffer, I put a little oil right there, a little right there, a couple on here, and I just kind of mush it around because that is metal-to-metal contact, just like that. So that's the extent of this bolt right here. There is another video how to put this back together. You can watch that one. I'm not going to waste your time here. But that's how it goes. Pretty simple. If you have any questions on taking this apart, or if it's not clear enough, I'll try to detail a little bit better. But there you go. In a simple nutshell, you can take this apart, both items, clean them up, less than 5 minutes. Any questions, post them below and I'll try to help you. My email is info@azccwclasses.com. You can email me there, or you can text me at 602-490-9523. Take care and have a good one. Safe shooting. Be safe. Be safe everywhere. Take care. Bye.